Hello everyone. In this video, today we are going to learn Progressions chapter exercise 6.3 first bit. Find the sum of the given arithmetic progressions 2, 7, 12 till 10 terms. So here we have the formula. Sum of the n terms in AB equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula we have for finding the sum of the n terms of AB. So here n is nothing but 10 terms. So 10. A is nothing but the first term 2. D is nothing but the common difference second term minus first term, that is 7 minus 2, which is nothing but 5. So now let us substitute in the formula. Yes, 10 we want. So sum of the first 10 terms is equals to n by 2, that is 10 by 2 into 2 into a value is 2 plus n minus 1, n is 10, so 10 minus 1 into d, common difference is 5, which is equals to 2 ones are 2 5s are, so 5 times 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1, 9, 9 5s are 45, which is equals to 5 into 4 plus 45, 49, 5 into 49, 5 9s are 45, 5 4, 5 4s are 20, 24, 245. So sum of the this given AB up to 10 terms is 245. Okay, let's move to next question. The given progression is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 continues till 12 terms. So from this, A is equals to first term minus 37. D common difference second term minus 33 minus first term minus 37, minus 33 minus of minus plus 37, minus 33 plus 37, 4, and n number of terms, so 12 terms. Now let us substitute in the formula. The formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn till 12 terms we want. Sum of the 12 terms equals to 12 by 2 into 2 into a value minus 37 plus n value 12, 12 minus 1 into d, common difference 4. So which is equals to 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 times of 2 into minus 37 minus 74 plus 12 minus 1, 11, 11 into 4, 44, so plus 44, which is equals to 6 into minus 74 plus 44 minus 30. 6 into minus 30 minus 180. Okay, let's move to next question. The given question is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 continues till 100 terms. So here A, nothing but the first term is 0.6. D, common difference is nothing but second term minus first term, 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1. Next, n value is 100 terms. So let us substitute this in the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn, we want 100 terms. So sum of the 100 terms is equals to 100 by 2 times of 2 into a value is 0.6 plus n value is 100. 100 minus 1 times of common difference is 1.1. 100 by 2 is 50 times of 2 into 0.6, 1.2 plus 100 minus 1, 99 into 1.1. So which is equals to 50 times of 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. 99 into 11. 1089, 108.9. Now we need to do addition of these two. So we will get 50 into 108.9 plus 1.2. 110.1. So which is nothing but 50 into 110.1, which is equals to, so for 10, for one decimal will go, so we will remains with 5 into 1101. So nothing but 5 ones are 5, 500, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So 5505. Okay, let's move to next question. One by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 continues till 11 terms. So first term A is equals to 1 by 15. Common difference D is equals to second term minus first term. So if we find the LCM of 12 and 15, it will be 60. So in 12 table 5 is a, so 5 minus 15 table 4 is a, which is nothing but 1 by 60. So n is equals to 11 terms. Now let us substitute in the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S11 is equals to 11 by 2 times of 2 into A value is 1 by 15 plus N value is 11. 11 minus 1 times of D value is nothing but 1 by 60. So which is equals to 11 by 2 into 1 by 15, 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1, 10 into 1 by 60. 10 ones are 10 six are. So we remains with 11 by 2 times of 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6, which is equals to 11 by 2 times of 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. LCM is 30. In 15 table 2s are, so 2 2s are 4 plus in 6 table 5 5s are, which is equals to 11 by 2 into 4 plus 5, 9 by 30. Here simplification is not possible, so that's why I will do direct multiplication. 11 into 9, 99 divided by 2 into 30, 60. So sum of those 11 terms is 99 by 60. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.